Hello fam, welcome back to another empties. Today I will be showing you a lot of skincare empty dabbas which I happen to enjoy, and yes, there can be some products which I did not enjoy as much. So everything will be linked in my description if you want to grab anything for yourself. But keep in mind one thing, that skincare is a subjective topic. Not everything which works for me would work absolutely wonderfully for you or in the same way. Some things may just take a little quicker time for you to work and maybe a little slower time for me, or more time for me. So you have to keep all these things in mind and then invest in a good skincare. And before buying any skincare or hair care products, do know your skin type and hair type, then only invest in one. So let's get started because I have a lot of products to show you. Now I will not be going into segment wise. Instantly I will be just randomly picking up products because I have, wait a minute, okay, I have like this giant basket full of empties, and then there is a small basket just below my tripod so that I can lift it later because this is already very heavy. Okay, the first product which I happen to use up completely is the L'Oreal Paris Black Instant Root Concealer Spray. This is the Magic Retouch. This is more of a temporary hair spray. This is how it comes. I have already repurchased one. Quite surprising when I bought this one. This was for 600 rupees one, and now the price has been reduced to 299. It is almost half. That's the MRP. So yes, I like it because this is more of an instant rescue. I do not like coloring my hair every second month. I'm a person who's very less on hair colors or waxing. I don't need because I don't have too much of hair going on my body, but hair color in general I like to keep myself away as much as I can. So I maybe counting I would color like 4 times a year or 3 times a year, nothing more than that, and that too I will do it with my own hands. I'll not go to a parlor to get it done. So this comes pretty handy to me. Yes, it can get a little drying, but chalta hai for some event. It's still easy and the fastest solution. Next up, a product which I absolutely love and I've already repurchased one for myself is the Plum E-Luminous Simply Supple Cleansing Balm. The condition is really bad because I've completely used it because I don't want to waste any single amount of cleansing balm, because we are really struggling to get an inexpensive cleansing balm in Indian market, and Plum has done such an amazing job with this one. This though is made only for dry skin, but I, being a combination to oily, like it, love it, and I will continue using it. So if you want to have a nice cleansing balm which will remove everything, then this one to go for. But keep in mind, this is not made for oily skin. So before buying, you are buying it at your own risk. I bought it at my own risk, but I liked it, my skin liked it, so I am continuing using it. Moving on to a product which I completely used up but I did not enjoy it is the Tony Moly Moisture Cream, the Shiny Foot. I did not like this product for my feet, something which I would not recommend anyone because it did not do anything. I have talked about this product in my worst of 2020 video also. I have talked about this product in my Innisfree Laneige Tony Moly video also. That time the cream was full. I had to use it somehow because I cannot just throw it away in the dustbin. So I always use up the product and then only get off with them. But yes, for 500 it is an expensive foot cream which didn't do anything, so something which I will never be repurchasing. Moving on to another very easy to understand body lotion is the Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera Body Lotion. It is more of an ultra light hydration. It's a very light moisturizer. I have completely used it up. I went ahead and bought another lotion by them. The reason of me loving this lotion is that firstly it is travel friendly. I have a small baby, winters are already here. I used to travel with this everywhere, okay, and nikalo, jaldi se lagao, and you are done. It is non-sticky, non-creasy. It just sits perfectly well on the skin. If you're a super dry skin, you may not like it, but if you have a normal skin, then you will enjoy it. Something I absolutely loved. I will definitely go ahead and repurchase this one in particular because I like to have something like this in my handbag all the time. Luckily, another moisturizer came into my hand. Is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. This is how it is. This is the hugest jar of Clinique Moisture Surge. I don't think so you get this in India, this size. I don't know, please correct me if I'm wrong. This is, I don't know how much product do you get. Okay, you get 200 ml of product here, and this my brother got. I did not enjoy this product. Sorry to say, I did not enjoy this. I did not like this product. This just sits on my skin in a very flat manner. Like, it has not done anything good to my skin, okay? And it doesn't give me the good hydration, not the right amount of hydration. It's the good hydration. When you put a moisturizer and you feel good about it, I don't feel good about it. So that is why I used it forcefully, not on my face, on my hands. Because you must be thinking, oh my god, she happened to use Clinique Moisture Surge on her hands and feet. Yes, I did that because this costed my brother 9 grand. Yes, he got this from a duty-free shop. Duty-free, airport pe duty-free mein Clinique was there. So this was pretty expensive and I could just not throw it in the dustbin. So I thought better start using it on my hands and legs. But something which I did not enjoy, I will never buy it again, never even suggest anyone. So yeah, bummer. Some hair care happened in 2020 and I completely switched from normal shampoos to natural shampoos, and Wow Skin Science India was the only brand I was using. One of their shampoos I completely loved and the conditioner is the Wow Skin Science Red Onion Black Seed Oil hair conditioner and shampoo. Now I do not have the jar of the shampoo because my kid was playing with that dabba because this basket was here and my maid has thrown this bottle. So I have the conditioner to show you. So yes, though shampoo finished faster than the conditioner, because obviously since these shampoos and conditioners are free from sulfate, you don't get like enough foaming. So if you are taking like 2 pumps, you will end up taking 4 pumps. So you are using more shampoo, okay? So I absolutely loved this hair care range for my hair. And saying this, I absolutely love their onion oil also, which I'll show you in a minute. So yes, something which I would definitely go ahead and buy again. I have recently finished their anti-dandruff shampoo and conditioner also. I think conditioner a bit is left. So these are the shampoo and conditioner I'm using currently for my hair. So since I happen to show you the onion conditioner and the shampoo, Wow Skin Science Onion Black Seed Hair Oil, again I have used like 2 bottles of it and I have absolutely loved this oil for my hair. Something really well done. What it says, it does. And yes, I happen to see a lot of hair growth and my hair fall has gone to like very low. Like it's not there, I would say. It's hardly ek do baal to tootte hain sabke, but not like hair fall. So yes, this oil has worked absolutely well and I will definitely be repurchasing it again. Another hair product is the Sunsilk So Creation Hair Fall Solution Shampoo. Now this was in my bathroom for the longest time, but I cannot keep a product like for years and years. So I thought let me just finish it off. So I completely use it up, and this again I bought it for hair fall. But for some reason this did not do anything great for my hair. But since I cannot just throw a shampoo, so I slowly used it up. So I'm not going to repurchase it because I did not like it for my hair. Another shampoo, another hair care product is the Wow Skin Science Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. As I mentioned in my onion one that I am using this shampoo. I was using this shampoo. It's completely over and the conditioner is still there. I again absolutely love this shampoo for my hair situation. Now before buying any hair product, just don't buy it because I showed you the shampoo. This may not work on your hair at all because you do not need it. Just read before buying. Why? What is this shampoo meant for? Anti-dandruff. Do you have dandruff? Then buy it. Do you have oily scalp? Then buy it. Just don't buy it because everybody is using it. So you need to know your hair and skin before investing in a product. This worked wonderfully for my hair in combination with the onion one. Now next, if I had to buy any shampoo, I would buy the onion one, not this one, because this is not my current situation with the hair. It's only the hair fall which I will continue working on. So yes, again a wonderful shampoo by Wow, but I will refrain myself buying this one. Next up, another hair care product, a product which is expired I feel, so I should be just getting rid of it, is the Toni & Guy Heat Protection Mist. Now frankly speaking, I don't know why I got this, and it's there in my basket past 2 years, and this year I was like, no, I just have to get rid of this product because I'm not going to use it and it is just going to lie. And secondly, it is going to expire very soon. It is still not expired. So yes, something which I did not use, so I cannot say how it works. But then if you are into a lot of heating and all, lot of straightening, curling and whatnot, then you can invest in a good heating spray. After reading a lot of good reviews, I made up a mind to buy this one. But I have used it like a few times, but not something which I have been using. I'm just getting rid of it because ho gaya iska time khatam hamare sath. Moving on, another interesting cleanser, Dermafix Cell by Cell Normal to Sensitive Perfect pH Protection. Protects skin pH to boost the skin defense system against skin cell damage. It's a cleanser by Dermafix which will help to maintain the pH of your facial skin. Now, something which I would not go and buy, but I have said it in my review also, if you're a sensitive skin person, or if you're a person who just wants a very mild cleanser, then this is the one to go for. It's very mild. It's not going to strip off your skin. It's not going to make your skin feel drying. It is not going to make your skin feel squeaky clean after you have done like a 10-hour job. But if you stay home, it is going to be a very mild cleanser for you and you will have a clean face. So I'm not going to buy it because I already have a lot of cleanser, but no hate, it's a good cleanser for sensitive as well as people who do not like too much in a cleanser. Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera Multivitamin Face Cream, something I've completely used up. I have used like the last bit of this moisturizer. I absolutely loved it. I've not tried too many moisturizers from Wow Skin Science. This is the one. The second one I am using is the Retinol Face Cream. So I'm not a person who buys a lot of moisturizers in general, but cleansers or lotions or serums I'm into it. But this one in particular was really well done. I really like the formula on this one. It works absolutely wonderful on the skin. If you want nice skin, a pleasant skin, and slowly when you start applying this moisturizer you see more of a correction on the skin, then you can be investing here. I will not be buying this one just because I have enough moisturizers to use, but this one definitely something which I can go back and purchase, something I have absolutely loved. Moving on to another moisturizer which I did not enjoy, and I've talked about this product a lot of times now. This is the Dr. Seth Antioxidant Repair Cream. This is how it is, and it is completely over. I have used it up, but I did not enjoy it just because I do not understand the product, and it has not done anything extraordinary for my skin. If you want to know more on this, then you can watch my worst of 2020 video. You'll know everything about this product, but I did not enjoy it. That is why I am not going to be repurchasing it. Another moisturizer, another MT. This is by the Face Shop, the Calendula Essential Moisture Cream, which is more of a hydrating moisturizer. Now this is also completely over. Now I would never go and buy this one because it's very heavy. It is not made for oily skin, and I just don't know why everything has to be only about hydration. Apart from hydration, there are a lot of other things which a moisturizer can do to your skin, which nobody pays attention to nowadays. Everybody is into hydration. So if you want only hydration, then you can buy this. But being a combination to oily, you have to be watchful. You just can't be buying moisturizer haphazardly on anybody's recommendation because it is heavy. It can give you breakouts. Okay, for me it doesn't work. I have used it completely because it was expensive, and it took me almost a year to finish this up in bits and pieces. So yes, something which I did not like it by Face Shop and I would not recommend it, neither I will repurchase it. Since I talked about a moisturizer by the Face Shop, there's another moisturizer which I absolutely love by the Face Shop, and I think now they have stopped selling this one. Please enlighten me with it. I would like to repurchase it. This is the Face Shop Chia Seed No Shine Intense Hydrating Cream. Again, something I have absolutely loved, and it is completely over. Something which is well made for any type of skin. I would say even a dry skin would love it, oily skin would love it, even a sensitive skin would love it, because it clearly says it is no shine, intense hydration. So the line is very clear. You will get good hydration with not that oil sitting on your face or you feeling heavy with the moisturizer. So all in all, a wonderful moisturizer. It is expensive. It is 2 grams, 2,100 something, but for the price you are really getting a good one here. Moving on to a gel which I have absolutely loved, and this gel is like the fifth jar. You understand? In 1.5 years I've used like 5 jars of it, and I have to repurchase it soon. This has to be there, okay? So this is the Indus Valley Brightening Depigmentation Gel. Very basic product it is, very inexpensive. You will get it on Nykaa and Amazon, and it is mostly out of stock. Now this moisturizer, okay, this has like dried down, but it's completely over. This is more of a gel which you can apply any time of the day, but I would suggest not to apply any other product on top of it, neither before this product. You can just wash up your face and apply this and done. You don't have to do a lot of different steps in your skincare. This will do magical things. Magical. Now there are friends of mine who had a very much hyperpigmented skin, okay, and I had personally suggested them a good skincare, and they have started using it. They used to love it and all that. They have seen changes also on their skin. But once you discover a very interesting product, now you happen to just recommend it. So I did recommend this product to some friends of mine, and I'll tell you, after using this, they have stopped using other products. So this works. You just have to give a little time, but use it every day to see the visible changes in you, or else you will not see changes. Use it every single day. Make it a routine. You will love it and you will thank me later. And this is the most inexpensive skincare product I'm showing you here, but a well done product by Indus Valley. It is a very underrated brand, but they have such amazing products to try from. This is one of my go-to favorite to dye product I cannot live without. So if you have any second thoughts now, you will not have, because I have said enough about it, and I've always mentioned this product. It's a very good product made for combination to oily as well. So get it, grab it, use it, and do share your experience with it. Since I've already talked about so many cleansers, there's another cleanser which is completely finished. It's the Wow Skin Science Aloe Vera Hydrating Face Wash. Do I have to say anything about it? I've already talked about this cleanser a million times. I have already repurchased it. I've already repurchased another one. I'm already using it, but I cannot show you like every other tube, so I thought I'll just show you one. This is how it is. Wonderfully done, but this cleanser cannot be used in summers if you are a combination to oily, because it is over hydrating cleanser. Yes, it can actually overhydrate your skin if you have extremely oily skin in summers. So keep yourself away with this from this cleanser in summers. Just use it in winters. You will just have such amazing skin. I have absolutely loved it and I will continue using it. I've already repurchased mine. Let's move on to some Mamaearth. So we have Mamaearth Under Eye Cream. Again, something really good, well done. For the price, you're getting a wonderful eye cream. I have completely enjoyed this eye cream for my eyes. It has worked. So if you want a budgeted eye cream which works, then you can go ahead and try the Mamaearth one. And the other product which I absolutely love, and the condition is really bad of the dabba, is the Mamaearth Skin Illuminate Face Serum. This is how it comes. Again, wonderful product, but it is not out of the world. I've done a full review on this product also on my channel. None of my reviews are sponsored or I received any PR. All of the products I showed you so far are bought with my own money and reviewed with my own will. So yes, I have reviewed both the products. Both are good, but if I have to repurchase something, it would be this one. I will still pass on this one, but yes, something really well done by Mamaearth. Okay, now I have some small minis to show you. The one mini I have is the Laneige Cleansing Moisture Cream Cleanser. I have completely used this one. Again, something really well thought of, but this product can be a little drying on the skin if you're buying a full size. I don't know if you get the full size. I got this in like a free thing. I liked it for my skin type and I completely used it up. Again, something which I will not be repurchasing because I already have a lot of cleansers. Next up, I have these chia seed, again the moisturizers, the No Shine Hydrating Cream and the No Shine Intense Hydrating Cream. I like both of them. One is into a cream format and one is into a gel format. I would highly suggest you to go for the cream one, not the gel one, because gel one can be a little drying after some time if you're wearing a lot of makeup or you have a dry skin. The cream one though would not dry out your skin and just give you the right amount of hydration and your skin really feels good. So yes, something which I have already used like in big jars, and I would definitely like to buy a new one. Please suggest me from where I can buy the same No Shine Intense Hydration Moisturizer. So year 2020 was the year where I did try a lot of serums, out of which the two vitamin C serums which I completely used up. The one is the Derma Essentia Anti-Aging Serum, something really well done. It is very light, very gentle on the skin, and if you want to start with a gentle vitamin C serum, then it has to be Derma Essentia because this is the first one I happen to try, and this is a little expensive than other one which I'm going to show you, but it works. For startup, it's a good one. I really liked it. If I do not get something more better, then I would just go back to this one. The packaging though has changed for Derma Essentia now, but this one is the old packaging. I absolutely loved it. The second vitamin C serum which I completely used up is the Garnier Skin Natural Light Complete Vitamin C Serum. Completely over. I've done a full review on this product, also again non-sponsored, but something which I feel is well made, well thought. For the price, you're getting a good product here. You just have to give a little extra time. Nothing works in a week. Serums do not work in a week. You have to give it at least minimum of 2 weeks and more to see visible changes on the skin. I used up the whole bottle to see the change. So you imagine how these products work. It's not the brand's fault, it's just the understanding and the marketing of the product. So they marketed really well and everybody was like, oh, 3 days, 3 days, 3 days. Nothing happens in 3 days. With skincare, nothing happens in 3 days. At least 30 days. These then though, you will see visible changes, but something really well done by Garnier. I will definitely be repurchasing this one soon. Since we are talking about serums, let's move on to another serum which is a little expensive and one of my favorites is the Innisfree Green Tea Serum. Okay, I have already shown you like a big jar of it already. I have already repurchased, I'm already using it, and one of my favorite serum. This I have been using close to 3.5 years. This has to be there in my vanity. I had to have this because I just love the formula on this one. This is not overly done serum, but done in a way that it is going to give you those changes in your skin, that clarity in your skin, and you will feel good about your skin. Something really well made. I've already repurchased one for myself. Second one is not more of a serum, but it's a mix of serum and a moisturizer. It's the Estee Lauder Itis Pore Minimizer. One of my favorite products again from Estee Lauder. I do not buy a lot of expensive skincare because I feel skincare should be more of a pocket friendly or something in mid-range which I can afford and which I can buy again and again. This is expensive, definitely, no doubt about it, but I still feel that I can save up and buy this one again, and I will be buying this soon from the store itself because I like this product for my skin. There was this time when I was in YouTube starting May, and then I started figuring out some pore issues here. The pores are appearing here, but when I bought this and I started using it, oh my god, it just vanished. I don't have it anymore. So this product has given me that assurance that yes, I'm going to work on your skin and I will just take away those pores from you. So yes, it has worked, and from that time I never got one. So yes, it has really kept my pores in check, and I do not suffer from any kind of huge pores or small pores or big pores. No, I don't have those issues on my skin thanks to Estee Lauder Pore Minimizer. This has really worked magically on my skin. I know the video has gone really long, but sorry guys, I have to show you all of these empties so that even I can get rid of them. Next up are the two hair care products. These are the two conditioners. One is the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 Rapid Reviver. Something which I did not enjoy a lot because I don't think so. It did anything. It did not repair it. It just gives me smoothing. That's it. Nothing else. Hair fall उतना ही है और बाद में oiliness भी उतनी ही है. So this is the conditioner which I would not recommend anyone. Neither I would buy again. Other conditioner is the Matrix Opticare Smooth Straight Conditioner. ये मेरे bathroom में already था, so I was using it. So it made it to my dabba, but this is one of my favorite conditioners though. Before I was using Wow conditioner shampoos, this was the one holy grail, and I will definitely go back to this one once my hair situation is well good in place. But something well done by Matrix and something which I keep repurchasing, so I will definitely be repurchasing it soon. Moving on to some body care. Body Cupid's Coconut Milk Foaming Body Scrub Polish, completely finished off. You know how much I love body scrubs, and during summers or summer monsoon ke beech mein, I like using a lot of body scrubs because I feel our body just feels a little extra tired, or maybe it just that sweat which makes you feel more tired and dead. Body scrubs in general just lifts up your mood, and if it is into a coconut scent, then yes, you are just sitting in a spa. So yes, something which I absolutely loved. I will definitely be repurchasing the same one from Body Cupids for my next summers, but something which you should be eyeing for your next summers. Moving on to some more serums. Next one I have is the Body Cupid's Retinol Face Serum. Something which I have absolutely loved for my skin. I really liked using it. I'm currently using the Wow Skin Science Retinol Serum. That is why I did not repurchase this one. But I am in a second thought that I'll just get this one because this really worked on my skin. And the best part about this product is that you have to use it like once in 3 days. You don't even have to use it like daily, because this product says also that you have to use it like once in 3 days, and secondly, it works its magic. You just have to give those 60 days to your skin, because the product also says that the visible changes of visible difference you will happen to see only after 60 days. But I could see the changes in my skin after 3 weeks of using this product. That is not even like 10 times I use the product, because I'm using this product ideally only twice a week. So yes, this product really worked well for my skin. If you want to introduce a good retinol serum, then this can be a good option for the price, and it is easily available. Something well done by Body Cupids, and I absolutely loved it. Moving on to a product, a well done product by the brand L'Oreal is the L'Oreal Revitalift Crystal Micro Essence Smooth Plus Radiance. Something well done by L'Oreal. Now you may have a disagreement on my saying, but I personally love this for my skin. I am already using another bottle of it, so you imagine how much I love this product. I like the texture of this on my skin, and I feel this is a very advanced product in a much lighter format, and this works its magic on your skin. You just have to use it rightly once a day and you are done. There is this time when I happen to use only this product in the morning. The first product after cleansing used to be this one. Now the routine has changed a bit, but still this product exists into my skincare. Something well done by L'Oreal. If you haven't tried the Crystal Essence, then you should be buying one. Buy the smallest bottle. That will also last you the longest, okay? This is the huge bottle, okay? So yes, something well done. I really like it, and I really enjoyed this product. Now we are down to the last two cleansers I have in my hand by the brand Kaya. The Kaya Purifying Cleanser Acne Free Cleanser. This is for combination to oily mostly. and I liked using this cleanser for my skin type. If you have like cystic acne or very painful acne, or you just constantly get acne and you don't want to put any strong cleanser, then I think you should be going in with this one, because it is for people who have acne and will work mildly on their skin and do not give them any kind of irritation. So I really liked it for myself. In future I will definitely be buying this one if I happen to see acne on my skin, but for some reason I did not repurchase it because I felt I already have a lot of cleansers. So you know the story why I'm not buying cleansers, because I already have like 5 to 6 with them to try. I'm already using some new ones. So yes, something well done. Second one I have is the Kaya Derma Naturals Tea Tree Purifying Face Wash. Again, something well done by Kaya. Oh my god, this is very close to the Body Shop Tea Tree Cleanser. If you are under a budget and you want to invest in a good tea tree cleanser which will actually work on your skin and keep everything in check, this has to be the one. I will definitely repurchase this one. This has to be there. Next up, I have 2 cleansers from the Wow Skin Science India. The one which I again love to buy them is the Amazon Rainforest Mineral Face Wash with crude volcanic clay. This is the one which can dry out your skin after cleansing because it has that clay into it, but the cleanser is into a gel format. So do not worry, it is not instantly going to dry up your skin, but you have to moisturize your skin well. But something really well done, again for combination to oily skin, dry skin people, keep yourself away from this one. But something which I absolutely loved by Wow Skin Science. And saying about the combination to oily part, I have another cleanser which I absolutely loved again by them, was the Anti-Acne Face Wash Tea Tree Essential Oil Plus Neem Leaf Cleanser. Again, something I loved using, and you can see I have used product completely. So I have loved it for my skin. It has kept everything in place, and you have not seen me with any kind of breakouts on my skin. You have seen me without makeup. Also, I come on Instagram without makeup. I do make videos on makeup. You have seen me bare skin. You have not seen acne for some reason on my skin, because I am using very much well made right product for my skin type. So yes, those cleansers by Wow Skin Science, you should be eyeing them, and the products are really well done. The cleansers in particular, I would say any cleanser you pick up, leaving that Amazon Rainforest one, none of the cleansers will dry out your skin. So finally, I'm done with this empties, and finally I will be getting rid of all the empty dabbas I have around me. But I hope you got some help from this empty videos, because yes, I have used up everything I happen to show you today. And yes, when we use a product for the longest time, our experience with the product do changes. We know the product much better. An empty video does help you to understand the product much better. I will be linking down everything in my description if you want to grab one for yourself. But before buying any product, just know your hair type as well as your skin type, because you will be investing a good amount of money. I will be here soon with some more review videos, some more skincare, some more makeup. Consider subscribing and following me on my Instagram @BrandsandGeek. Till then, you take care, and I will see you in my next one.